Hello everybody, welcome back to the iTunes Fanboy, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing my mom's new Echo, which I believe this is the 5th generation model if I'm not mistaken. If not, I'll put it up on screen for you, but first up we'll go ahead and get this little brown ring, that cardboard ring, paper ring that's attached to, this is boxes attached to out here, and now if you look on the front we have Echo and Alexa on the front, and I'm sorry for triggering you guys' devices if I said that. I'm probably going to be triggering them a lot in this video. And then this right here just offers you some device support. This side offers basic information, such as the fact that it has 3.5mm line in and out, Bluetooth hands-free, connectivity, Zigbee smart home hub, 3-inch subwoofer, and 2.28 tweeters. Then it comes with a Echo 4th generation and power adapter, and says that stuff in other languages too. And Alexa is happy to help, as you can ask her to play party music, dim lights, or ask what time it is sunset. And then they mention how it's a smart speaker plus Alexa, because the updated design delivers clear highs, dynamic mids, and deep bass for rich detailed sound. Play music, check the weather, and access Alexa skills, all with your voice. Call friends and family hands-free. Plus the built-in hub to easily set up and control compatible smart home devices. Then it goes back on the front where you can see it, and then up here you have the Amazon Smile. But now let's go ahead and let's peel this open. Now, I don't know if I already mentioned this, but this is not mine, as this is my mom's for our living room. Alright, and so first up we have the Echo in this in blue, so I'll just go ahead and unravel this. And there we go, we have this quite big smart speaker with a tripod mount apparently, but it looks as if for on the website like it's going to be about the same size as the Echo Dot. So you see this in person, you know how much bigger it is. So when I see this on demo, I know how much bigger this is, and this has some basic buttons, including mute, I think a button to trigger Alexa, volume down, volume up, which all feel very nice along this cloth design. This is actually pretty nicely designed. And then right here we have our tri-language manual in English, Spanish, and French. It just gives you basic instructions and important information, which is basically just all the legal jabber that we don't care about. And then if we go to this little cardboard enclosure, then we have right here what is the power adapter that this plugs into. So, you know, that's pretty important. And as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and as always, peace out.